Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best technical SEO tools for local businesses by comparing Moz Pro and Screaming Frog. If you're looking for the best technical SEO tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into the Screaming Frog's SEO Spider is a desktop crawler for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, designed for in-depth technical SEO audits. It scans websites the way a search engine would, pulling data on links, metadata, structure, duplicate content, schema, and more. This makes it especially useful for spotting technical issues that can block crawling, indexation, or on-page performance. It detects 404s, 500s, and redirect chains so you can fix link errors. Flags missing, duplicate, or poorly optimized titles and descriptions. Identifies exact or near-duplicate pages to prevent thin content problems. Checks markup and highlights errors that could impact rich results. Handles JS-heavy sites, including SPAs and React pages. And also controls crawl depth, exclude paths, apply filters, and respect robots.txt for targeted audits. In terms of pricing, plans start at $279 per year. A free version is available, limited to 500 URLs. Moz Pro is an SEO tool suite that brings keyword research, site auditing, backlink analysis, rank tracking, and on-page optimization into one platform. It's built to help users monitor SEO health, find opportunities, and benchmark against competitors. Moz Pro is a solid fit for small to mid-sized businesses, marketing teams, SEO beginners and intermediates, or agencies that want a guided, easy-to-use SEO solution without the steep learning curve of more complex tools. It discovers high-potential keywords, related ideas, and topic gaps with search volume, difficulty, and SERP insights. Audits backlinks, monitor new and lost links, and compare competitors using metrics such as domain authority and referring domains. Catches broken links, missing tags, duplicate content, and speed issues, then prioritize fixes. Tracks performance across desktop and mobile with on-demand rank checks. The plans for Moz Pro starts at $49 per month. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.